Alright boys, Deus 2 version 2.00, the 9-inch coil. We're going to do another little demo here of under target masking. Users of the Deus 2 running the version 1.1, 2.0 running sensitive FT. Silencer 1 can get you some unmasking. Users of this machine using such a program may consider putting an adjacent program, same settings, with a silencer of 3. I'll give you a demonstration here. Under target masking. See that flat iron down there? 2x4 thickness above that nickel. Now I've got the offset dialed to 10. We're at 6.8 disc, 2.5 for reactivity, which does perform well in iron. I could show 3 here, and you're going to see the same thing. I'm in 2.5. Now I'm going to keep the call sort of. That's silencer 1. You hear that? Silencer 2. Silencer 3. You hear that? You hear that difference? Now we're going to go in inverse order here. Silencer 3. Silencer 2. Silencer 1. What about silencer? Okay, here's silencer 1. Silencer 0. Silencer 0. Silencer 1. Silencer 2. Silencer 3. You hear how clean that nickel sounds on silencer 3? Okay. I'm going to lift the nickel up. Similar call height, silencer 3. Silencer 2. Silencer 1. Silencer 0. Now remember, that's approaching this from this direction. Of course, you know, you could have more iron, multiple nails, multiple flat iron running who knows what directions in a sight. Different sizes. So you may consider running an adjacent program having a silencer of 3 with sensitive FT should you decide to run a silencer of 1. Now, think of it like this. Connect the dots. If a target, you wouldn't expect a mass target generally to sound better at a silencer of 3 versus 1, would you? You generally wouldn't. So if you heard the target clean up when you went to a silencer of 3, that would be a red flag, wouldn't it? Wait a minute. Why is that signal cleaning up? Well, I showed you a demo using the 11-inch coil with a different piece of flat iron. And now I've showed you a different piece of flat iron, a same US nickel, lower conductor, coin button size with a different size coil, same version on this machine. Okay? You see what kind of good information you get on my channel? So, yeah, you can go for the gusto with a silencer of 1. But if this machine gets hung up on an old relic sight on a target, and you're hearing a lot of that iron buzz, the signal's dirty. If you transition to silencer 3 and it gets cleaned up, that might be an old target old sharpshooter want to dig. That's going to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed.